bark, 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 bark. Bark, 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 bark. Hi, boy. Hi. Are you okay? Are you okay now? Huh? No, no, come here. Oh, gee, my crickets. Tippers! Oh, boy. Tams, you're gonna get hurt. Tempers. He's gonna die. Mama's gonna kill him. Or Mama's gonna kill me. Tempers, come here. Come here, boy. Mama's gonna kick your butt. He's still limping. Escape artist.
Yeah. I haven't seen him escape too much.
Tempers. He's gonna eat you.
Get him off, he's preoccupied.
What kind of dog is he? That's the Sean.
He escaped last time. That's why he's limping. We don't know why, but
When was that?
about 2 weeks ago.
I didn't see him running around.
Ah, there you go. There you go.
Stop it.
There you go.
Hey, go away. Go away.
You deserve that, you dum-dum. You're not gonna catch him. Go back in. Come on. Go back in.
Try.
He's gonna come home eventually. He always does.
Yeah, they always do.
When all the medicine you paid for.
The more you chase him, the more he likes it. So.
Yeah. Yeah, I hear you. I hear you. Yeah, they gotta be kept on leashes. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Bad dog. Sit. Sit. He's all right.
Yeah, that's what happens. Oh boy.
What happened?
Huh?
What happened?
Why he got out?
Uh-huh.
He came up to me and I was about to pick him up and then
Get
he
in the
bolted.
door first.
Huh?
You get in the door and close it.
He was right there.
Uh-huh. Campers, you can't do that with...
Can you go in the house now, please? Put some clothes on. And he's being stupid. Yeah. Well, guess what, everybody? Guess who decided to go home? There he is. Tempers the outlaw. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, don't be looking for sympathy over here, boy. Go walk, go walk. Go. Come on. Go walk. Show them your limp. I'm not gonna shake your hand. I'm mad at you. I'm not mad. Come on. Shake. Shake. Oh, you're mad at me, huh? Whatever. Whatever, boy. You're a naughty boy. How about a shake? Shake. See many crickets. There he is. There's a limp. Stumpy. I gotta call you Stumpy. Guess what, everybody? Mama's been busy. Bought a new fridge. Gee, many crickets. She said it's a smart, whatever it is, some kind of a smart refrigerator. Wow, look at that. How about a glass of beer, please? Hello? How about a bologna sandwich? Can I order a bologna sandwich with a beer? It don't look smart to me. Oh, this is anyway. Whiteboard. What's a Spotify? 5551212. No, that ain't it. Whiteboard. How am I supposed to know? Wow, it's got a weather app, really? How about a glass of beer? Michelob Light, please. I don't think it's working. What is this? Outboard. What's a cream ale? I have no idea what a cream ale is. Told you, man. Mama's been busy. I have no idea how this thing works. Apple pie. Gotta be strawberry. I don't think anybody in this house eats. Got water. Did you see that? Did you see that? Guess not. What's in here? That must be the freezer. What's in here? I have no idea. If this is supposed to be a smart refrigerator, I don't think it's working. Hello? Okay, video. Geesh, it's got a TV in it. I don't know what it is. Don't know what it is. Yeah. Hey, Limpy. Come here, Limpy. Yeah, you naughty boy. Hey, good night, everybody. Get some sleep. I leave here tomorrow at about 7:30, so gotta be in Shawano by 10, so it's about an hour and a half up there. Later. Peace.